Elon Musk has revolutionized electric cars, shaken up the space industry, and now he's entering the world of robotics with the Tesla bot, also known as Optimus. But what can this robot really do? Today, we're breaking down everything Elon Musk's Optimus robot is capable of, and why it might just change the future as we know it. Unveiled during Tesla's AI Day, Optimus is a humanoid robot designed to tackle repetitive and even dangerous tasks. Standing at about 5'8" and weighing 125 pounds, it has a sleek, futuristic design that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. But this is more than just a cool piece of tech, it's a glimpse into the future. So, what can Optimus do? For now, Tesla has focused on basic tasks, but even these are pretty impressive. First up, Optimus is built for physical labor. Think of it as an extra set of hands to handle repetitive tasks like lifting, carrying, and sorting objects. If you're in a warehouse or on a factory floor, imagine a robot helping you move things around safely and efficiently.
Optimus!
People here today.
It's insane, it's even talking.
Say hi to my friend John. John? Where's John?
In this video, Optimus showcases its impressive ability to engage in natural conversations. It talks with John using a humanoid voice that sounds so real, you'd wonder if there's a human behind the mic.
How are you? That's crazy, I'm talking to a robot. From San Jose. Probably from where you were born in Silicon Valley.
Wonderful. Where do you live in San Jose? Do you live in Almond Valley or do you live in Santa Teresa area?
No, I live in Los Gatos.
Los Gatos. Oh, wonderful.
The conversation is fluid, with minimal delay, making it feel almost human.
Just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I don't have a girlfriend, my hands.
Imagine a robot that can be the life of the party. Optimus isn't just built for serious tasks, it can also dance, interact, and keep the vibes high. With its smooth moves and natural conversation skills, it could become the ultimate party companion. Would you invite a robot to your next party? Let us know in the comments.
Elon. He's a techno king.
In this video, Optimus takes inclusivity to the next level by using sign language. This feature is a game changer for those with hearing disabilities, showing that Optimus can communicate beyond just spoken words. This ability will undoubtedly prove incredibly beneficial in customer service roles, healthcare settings, and educational environments where communication with diverse groups is key. Even more, Optimus can play rock, paper, scissors with you. Rock, paper, scissors is a simple game, but seeing an AI-powered robot play it is pretty impressive. Now, I know what you're thinking. A humanoid robot sounds cool, but is it safe? Elon Musk has made it clear that safety is a top priority. Optimus is designed to be slower and less powerful than humans. If anything goes wrong, it's easy to overpower or stop. But why is Tesla interested in a humanoid robot? Well, Elon Musk believes that Optimus could change the world by solving the labor shortage problem, enhancing productivity, and freeing humans from dangerous or boring jobs. In a way, it's all about improving our quality of life and letting us focus on more meaningful work. Tesla's Optimus robot is expected to be priced between $20,000 and $30,000, making it an affordable choice for those seeking robotic assistance. This competitive price is about half the cost of a Tesla car, broadening its appeal for personal and business use. However, as seen with the Cybertruck, this price could rise before launch. Would you let a Tesla bot help you around the house? If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe.